Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a pack from PVPRP. First of all, find the pack that you want. I'm just going to go with this one. Now, press go to downloads. Press the subscribe button to subscribe to the creator. If you're already subscribed or you don't want to subscribe, just simply close the tab and then press download pack. There, simple as that. You can also follow the creator as well by pressing here. And you can see all their newest packs in your personal feed. If you're having problems with pop-ups and adverts, I'd recommend installing an ad blocker, such as uBlock Origin. Keeping this site up costs money, so that's why we use adverts. But you can use an ad blocker, we don't mind. So yeah, that's how you install a pack from PVPRP. Drag that into your resource packs folder, and you're good. Thank you for watching. If this helped, subscribe to the channel. More stuff on the PVPRP channel very soon, and I'll see you there.